Welcome to my channel, another tutorials. The files, the document window with the white ones again making it easy to see the selections outline we created. Finally, to complete effects will simply press delete window backspace make on my keyboard to delete the area of white inside the selections outline. To remove the selections outline since I no longer need it, I will click anywhere inside the document window with the murky tool. Notice that soft transition between the white edges and the photo in the center thanks to feathering we applied. The murky tool to make it easy to create this classic photo effect. Thanks so much for watching. I will become in next video. Goodbye.